Looking good and cheerful today? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Lady's Eye. I would like to ask whether you all have subscribed or not. If have not, please do so. And today I'm sharing a recipe that is beef korma. So let's see the ingredients. Beef, onion, garlic, ginger, potato, onion, red and green chilies, tomatoes, korma powder, milk, vinegar, cinnamon stick, star anise, cloves and cardamom, sugar, salt, water, oil. I'm going to cut the onions, ginger, garlic, add some water and we blend it fine. For this onion, I'm going to just slice this because I'm going to stir fry this with the spices. Next is the potato. I cut into quarters. Onions, I'm going to cut wedges. Cut the chilies into half, or split the chilies. Cut into half. Okay, to make my sour cream, I add in vinegar to my milk, but if you have lime juice also you can do so. So we leave it for a while. For the spices, add some water, to make it into paste. Okay, heat up the oil. Okay, stir fry the sliced ingredient. Add in the spices. Once it's fragrant, add in the korma spice, korma paste. Add in the paste, the korma paste. Stir fry further for 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm adding the blend ingredient. Actually, you can put this together with the spice just now, paste. This much better. And adding in the beef. Okay, now I'm going to add in the sour cream or yogurt and also my potatoes. Add some salt and sugar. add some water and we leave it to boil for 10 minutes. Let's see how. Okay. Now I'm going to add in all the vegetables. Okay, once you see the vegetable is cooked, I'm going to put off the fire and it's ready to serve. It's very colorful, very nice. If you wish to add in some white pepper also, you can do so. And for the vinegar just now, you can replace it also with tomato paste, about 1 tablespoon. Here is my beef korma. It's ready. Normally we serve this with rice, but normally we cook this also during festive season, where we can serve it with nasi minyak. And I will share you the link below. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.